A new community in the heart of Schofields is taking shape. Welcome to Solara Residences, a place designed for connection, comfort and contemporary living.
Today, we are celebrating more than a launch. We are celebrating a community coming to life. We're excited to welcome you to our brand new display suite here in Schofields. Solara Residences has been thoughtfully crafted for families, first home buyers and savvy investors seeking quality, modern lifestyle and convenience.
Inspired by a blend of Mediterranean and contemporary design, every detail at Solara has been carefully considered, from the high quality finishes to functional layouts. Solara is already experiencing strong demand from first home buyers and investors seeking to secure their future home in one of Sydney's fastest growing corridors.
At Solara, everything you need is close at hand. Local green spaces, nearby schools, shops and transport support the ease of everyday living. With seamless access to expanding infrastructure, including the proposed Rouse Hill Hospital and Schofields Metro. Now is the time to secure your place in a community designed for growth, connection and lasting value. We invite you to visit our sales display suite at 30 Advanced Street, Schofields and learn more about becoming part of this boutique community.